Start.
Good evening to everyone. Today I am going to tell you about Indian states and capitals and the Union territories. Let's begin with the Indian states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Telangana, Hyderabad, Karnataka, Bangalore, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Sikkim, Gangtok, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Manipur, Imphal, Nagaland, Kohima, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Ladakh, Leh, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Bihar, Patna. Now let's start with the Union territories. Puducherry, Ladakh, Leh, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair, Delhi, New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, summer, Jammu, winter, Chandigarh. Thank you for watching my videos.